Hello, track builders.
Hello.
Oh, yes. What's this new sign?
It says Arlo's Track Time, which is very cool.
Which is the name of our channel.
It says Kendrick Railway.
Very good. Established in 2015. Well, who was born in 2015?
Me. Arlo.
You. And who is this fab sign from?
Cody, Uncle Gary, and Auntie Bev.
It is. So what are we going to say?
Really thank you.
Really thank you. Yeah, it's lovely, isn't it?
I love this sign.
It was a great birthday present. Thank you very much. And a lovely addition to our videos. Let's start. What kind of track are we doing?
Wooden track.
Because I think you've got some new birthday things, haven't you? You show me then, go on. Because I can't remember what we've got. Oh yeah, we've got a metro station now. Oh, with fancy doors. Sliding doors. And what else have we got?
I've got
What did we get for your birthday?
we've got this tunnel,
Oh yeah.
and then I'll show you what can happen with it.
Ah, that was the other thing, yeah.
Which is it's really cool.
Oh, I see.
So we're gonna use that
Like a
on our
waterfall
video.
tunnel. Yeah.
So the water comes down. Oh yeah.
This looks new as well. Is this new?
Yeah.
It's a nice colour.
Right.
Right, okay. So we know which things we want to use, your birthday things. I think we just need to get cracking now, don't we? Let's make a start then. Okay, here we are. Finished track. What's this? A bead. Where did you find that? It's like treasure. So, sorry for the glaringly bright light bulb in the track build video. I must have misaligned it in our mount. Sorry. Anyway, we're done. Now for the fun bit. We can actually play, can't we? Looks good. We've done a good job. And there was a late request for an airport in the middle. So as you can see, we've done a fairly wide track that mostly just goes the perimeter of the room, which leaves plenty of space for our airport. Which has a yes. You want it bigger? We're going to have to find some more buildings then, aren't we? Yes. We've got a Emirates A380 there ready for takeoff. And then something a little more exciting. We've got an F-18 Hornet waiting there. Ready to go with full afterburner. Who's this? Look. In the London Underground, it looks like Boris Johnson with his briefcase.
Yes, Boris Johnson.
Boris Johnson, he's ready to go to a Christmas party, I think. Forgive me. Forgive me. Okay, so the London Underground's come all the way through all the tunnels under London.
These are the fast tunnels.
He's going to pick up the passengers.
And look.
What have you got?
What?
Oh, I thought yours might have crashed. Surprise, surprise. You're going to fix it then? Okay, so where's the tube going next?
Boris Johnson doesn't like fast trains, and
Does he not?
the London Underground's quite fast, so
Okay.
really.
Right, where's he going? Where's this one going then? It's left the London Underground. Looks like it's gone to the countryside now with all this winding track.
America. Yeah. That's for the
who's going to go through this brand new waterfall tunnel.
I've already been in it twice.
Right, well, let's see some trains going through.
I'll go first. Because I just want to start again because I want to make my train go all
Bit again, yeah. Wow, look at that.
Watch me.
Chip, 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 chip.
Hi.
Very nice. That's quite cool, isn't it?
Now watch me now. Doing the video.
I am keeping doing the video.
I need some
All that water.
I'm dirty.
Waterfall's dried up.
I'm dirty.
Is this climate change in action?
I'm dirty. I'm dirty. I'm dirty.
Oh, it's been extended 3 coaches now. That must be one of the busy lines, is it? Is this the Piccadilly line?
No. It goes to Piccadilly, but on
Piccadilly?
on a different line because it goes this way.
Okay.
Oh, it's changed this menu now. This station was Piccadilly.
Right.
The coloured lines are stations.
They're the different coloured lines on the underground.
Stopping at Edinburgh.
Wow. Which underground line goes to Edinburgh?
Well, you know Sprinters goes to
But
Edinburgh.
yeah, but you could go to King's Cross, couldn't you? I suppose, and then up to
I need
Edinburgh.
one with
Oh, here comes Oryn with his mixture of bullet trains and freight trains and metro trains. Uh-oh, that's it, well done. No one's been over the bumpy bridges yet.
I've been up for them.
Have you?
I've done
Let's see.
Now I'm going to go over to the metro now.
Uh-oh, you've left one behind, Oryn.
You've left this package.
Keep going.
Daddy.
Yeah.
Oryn, I'll get it. Quick.
That's it, keep
I'll
going.
get it.
Arlo to the rescue. He's going to go and pick up the missed passengers.
Oh, look. It's on the track. Oh, you exploded it. Ah, it's gone through the wall.
Lights, has it? Are you going to do a message on this village station?
Let me go on and off.
On here, though? Are you going to do a message on it?
This train is going after this. Oh no!
I think that's... Let's have a look. So you press and hold this one. So you ready? 1, 2, 3.
This train is going after this.
Right, try now.
This train is going after this.
Wow, look at that. Here we go then, the tube going over the bridges. Wow, that looks fun for the passengers.
Do you know what I went over one like that and I fell sick?
Did you really? I'm not surprised.
One time it's going over and the other one never moves because I'm on that train. I'm going to stick after this one.
Oh no, disaster.
Why there's only one coach?
Uh-oh.
What is
Oh dear, little Oryn. Can you fix it?
Baby.
Can you be calm and fix it?
He's a little baby.
You've done it. See? No need to cry, is there? Well done.
My train's going through for you first.
Okay, right, what's happening here?
I'm stopping there.
At the buffer?
Yeah.
Right, Oryn, you need to go all the way around then, not to the buffer. But there's not enough room for your train, is there?
Yeah, I won't be able to get past.
See?
Daddy.
There's far too much train sticking out the end and now Arlo's stuck. You're going to have to back up and go the other way, aren't you? That's better. Just gently so your train doesn't fall over. That's it. Keep going.
This train is far too long.
Nearly there. Keep going. Right, now pull it from the front. Well done. Here it comes.
And the aeroplane coming in.
Right, Arlo, you haven't taken your tube to the buffer.
No,
There we go.
Coming for...
So we've got arrivals at the airport now. There's the F-18 back from his sortie. Landing next to the London Underground.
People can see them when they get after.
Is there anything else coming in?
Yeah, I'm just going to find... There's a double-decker aeroplane now.
An A380.
Yeah. Emirates.
Emirates, yeah.
Emirates. What do you look at?
Here it comes. Where is it? Oh my goodness. It's a shaky descent. Oh no. Is everyone on board okay?
Yeah.
Right.
It's doing cartwheels and fences. It's landed on this.
Landed on top of the control tower. That was a funny flight.
Flying again.
Flying again, is it taking off?
This is where you put the aeroplanes when you go with them.
Okay, there we are, folks. That's our track for the afternoon. I'm going to let these two keep playing. I hope you've enjoyed watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and
Bye.
that's right. Bye-bye.
Bye.
We'll see you next time.